Let's jump on the second topic for today, which is the subcontractor handling. It's available only on the project operations this time, so it doesn't come with the PSA. For right now, it's also only there for the light deployment, and it's an early access since the October 2021 release. What do we have there? So what does it bring to us? So basically, we are enabling an additional process. So when we talk about the process, normally we go from the opportunity, we go to the quote, we creating project contracts and project contract lines, and then we are connecting that with our project. We are getting the estimate lines done, all the stuff, we're doing the planning. And then there's something happening that we also want to sell something or we need to purchase something for that project. So we need to bring in some vendors and suppliers, and this is basically what is happening right there. And we can bring the vendors with that new subcontractor handling, so you can use the accounts from your existing environment, you bring them in, and you can set up the subcontractor contract with them. It can be all done manually, so you have custom pricing. You can have different billing methods. You do also have like the same structure as you have on the project contract, so it's pretty similar to that. And you can really benefit from the functionality which is given on the project contract, as well like on the subcontractor handling there. So you can jump in onto the pricing, so you have special price lists there as well. It's a type purchase, so you can create them, you can individual design them, how the prices should look like. You can include their times, you can also expenses or product related transactions, so everything there from your sales process will be available. And last but not least there, the very nice thing there, you can also staff your contract workers. So when you have like resources working from your vendor or supplier there, and you want to plan them in your project, you can do that now. So you can like connect them with that with the contract. You can plan them in your project. You can use like placeholders. You can use like real bookable resources in terms of types of user or contact. So for example, if they don't want to have like access to the system, or it's not allowed from your side, you can still use the contact type bookable resource, which is then connected to the vendor account. This is then gets linked to the subcontract, and these can be then enabled for your project. So you can then basically plan those resources as a project manager into your project plan. They can do as well some time tracking. It can be done as well then displayed onto the invoice. All this stuff, it's basically like a additional process that was just added just overnight.